In a sun-drenched garden, young Alex plays, his laughter mingling with the rustling leaves. Amidst the vibrant blooms, a glint of color captures his attention. He unearths a single vibrant rainbow feather. I lift the rainbow feather, captivated by its colors. The feather mysteriously floats upwards, as if drawn by an unseen force. Eyes wide with wonder, I follow the feather as it guides me through the garden. A rainbow feather dances through the air, leading Alex deeper into the garden's hidden secrets. In a hidden clearing, a magical bird hovers, bathed in ethereal light. Alex stops, staring in amazement at the sight. Sunlight streams through the leaves, bathing the garden in a mosaic of light as a bird of vibrant plumage cocks its head towards Alex. The bird smiles gently, revealing the secret. You have found the rainbow feather. The bird offers a gift. As a reward, I grant you one wish. Alex's eyes widen with excitement. I wish for endless adventures.